Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make samosa sheets from scratch. You can freeze and use them whenever you need. And also I'm going to make a simple street style onion samosa. It's so crispy and perfect combo for tea or coffee. A cup of tea and a plate of samosa will brighten the evening. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make onion samosas and sheets. To make this recipe, I am using 2 cups of plain flour, half a teaspoon of salt. Give a mix. Adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix this for a minute. The flour should look like crumbs, so mix everything well. The flour should look like this. Now add water little at a time, mix well to make a soft dough. Knead the dough well for at least 2 minutes. Cover and rest it for at least 20 minutes. Now let's make stuffing. This is 2 onion finely sliced, some freshly chopped coriander and curry leaves, half inch of ginger, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of salt, mix everything really well and keep it aside. Now for the slurry, add 2 tablespoons of plain flour to a bowl, add some water, mix well without any lumps. This is how it should be. Check for consistency. Now let's keep this aside. Dough has rested well for 15 minutes. It's nice and soft. Just knead it for one more time. Now let's cut them in equal portions. Roll each ball and keep it ready. Dust some dry flour on the working surface. Roll out the dough equally as thin as possible. To get a crispy samosa, your sheet should be thin like this. Do keep this in mind. All our samosa sheets are ready. Now let's cook our samosa sheets on a low medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes on each side. You should not cook fully like chapati. When the color changes, just remove it from the pan. This is done. Now let's take it out from the pan. Using a knife or a pizza cutter, let's trim out the extras. Do not discard the extras. I'll show you how to make crispies out of it. With the help of a ruler, cut the sheets into equal strips. Our samosa sheets are ready. You can store them in the freezer and use whenever you need them. Now let's cut the extras into small bite-sized pieces. I am going to fry and add them in my samosa stuffing. Fry and keep them in an airtight container. Use when you make chaat items, or you can have it like that. Now it's nice and crispy. Remove it from the oil. Now this will add up extra crunchiness to your samosas. Now take a strip, hold a corner, fold it like a triangle, then again twice as shown. You get a pocket. Apply some slurry which we made little earlier. This will hold tightly. Now let's add stuffing and seal well. To make pocket samosa, take 2 sheets, add some slurry down, stick it, and then in the center keep some stuffing, add slurry again and seal all the 4 sides. Before you put them in the freezer, just freeze them for 20 minutes to avoid sticking. Put them in a freezer friendly container or in a Ziploc bag and store them in the freezer. Use them whenever you want them. Fry them on a low medium heat until they are brown and crispy. They are done, nice and crispy. Remove them and put it on a paper towel. You can make this for any occasion, party starters or as a evening snacks. I hope you find this recipe useful. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.